Hello, cosmonauts. Today I would like to introduce you a recent airdrop of Saga and
Speak normally, бля.
okay, I see. Yeah. Hello, Cosmos community. My name is Vali, and today I will speak on behalf of POSTHUMAN validator. Would be happy to introduce you the recent airdrop of Saga network. So, first of all, I have to congratulate all of the eligible participants. You should be very happy about this because Saga is very promising project in Cosmos ecosystem. First, and it's not the first actually, I have to mention something, a quick tip on how to learn very fast about any project. You just should go on the project's Medium and read the description. Saga's description is the following. The next 1000 chains in the multiverse, Saga is a protocol that allows developers to take a single tenant VM and automatically launch it on dedicated blockchain, complete with fully provisioned validators and an optimally incentivized security structure. What is actually mean that everyone would be able to launch applications on top of the Saga very quickly and smoothly. So here we go. Recent announcement was the following. Oh, it wasn't the recent, it was a few weeks ago, and for the Atom community eligibility criteria is very simple and narrow. You could just read for Cosmos, Celestia, and everything you want to read will be provided by the links in the description. Also, here is the Polygon and Avalanche community involved, but what you should know is that this thing you have to hold very long to be happy. If you're not happy or you are not eligible, I will come to you and make you happy and eligible. So here is quick walkthrough how to claim your Saga airdrop. First of all, you have to go on the claim web page. You have to connect your wallet and click approve. Then you will show, you will see the following. You will have to add your Kepler address. You have to click here and click on add right on the buttons which would be appeared. I tried once and I wasn't eligible for this time. I don't blame anyone for this. This is completely not my fault. But so, and you just claim and wait about 20 days or a little bit more until the claim period will be finished, and as I could see, the drop will be distributed further. Okay, so if you are a Cosmos ecosystem maximalist as me and my team, you probably know about the airdrops and such. So you could track airdrops almost everywhere, like in the Leap wallet dashboard, on the different X, which is Twitter accounts, and also some websites. By the way, you could read all and fresh everything right in our POSTHUMAN Discord. We recently very warmly welcomed a new core team member, Asa from Sri Lanka. He is long-term Cosmos ecosystem contributor, so you could just go in the airdrops branch and see every details in here. Asa does a very good, proper and deep research on every airdrop, so all the scam or shady airdrops are not allowed. You protected by Sri Lanka and Asa personally. You have to know about this. If you will get scammed, we are so sorry. But we don't want anyone to get scammed because it's very sad. So Here is 2 more airdrops for Dymension stakers. Those who was staking DIM tokens would be eligible for 2 more airdrops in the future. One of them is NIM, which is the token of NIM network rollup, which should be the first one rollup on top of the Dymension, and it will be ultimate environment for AI games abstract and some kind of this. You could learn about this more deeper if you will click the link and go to the Dymension forum. You could read all the information about this, about the NIM tokenomics, and so on and so forth. About 9% will be allocated at Genesis for Dymension stakers, or maybe there will be more categories. So you have to always stay up to date. And what we have else in here, also very interesting thing is Aigisos AIG airdrop for Dymension stakers. This is the second one, and looking further in the Dymension forum, we could find something interesting that they recently got sponsored by the Microsoft. Microsoft is the company which produces software for the personal computers around the world, and more than that. Also, they involved in Xbox and other unusual and unnecessary things which everyone not like. Maybe like, I don't know, I don't care also, by the way. And better to use Ubuntu for crypto, because Ubuntu is very secure and more efficient for crypto users, but unfortunately it is not supported everywhere. But you shouldn't care, because you have to use this thing, like a line you have to input something. I forget this name and I don't care. I know this in Russian, but I'm so sorry you don't know Russian. And interesting fact that English is not my first language. So Aigisos rollup, Genesis drop, and more. They will conduct not only the 1 airdrop, but total of 5 airdrops to DIM stakers. I wouldn't go really deep into details of this project, because you want to know only how to claim tokens and sell it on the market. Or it is actually way better if you want to stake and delegate these tokens. We have also validator in Cosmos ecosystem, which is called POSTHUMAN. And make sure that you are following all the links and stuff. I'm so tired today. I was cooking by myself. You can imagine this. Project details, high-level tokenomics, some native tokens, and also this project also incubated some other projects, and they legally registered in the UK. This is for your information. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please follow us at X and stay decentralized. By the way, decentralization is the most vital part of everything, because if you have one center, one centralized entity which could turn off everything, you will end up without anything, because this centralized and very powerful entity would like to grab everything, and it always accumulate all the power in equivalent of vote or money or something else. Bye bye.